For today's video, I wanted to ask you a question. Did you know that you can train your hair not to be greasy? Yes, you can. I did it, and this is how you can do it too. There are many reasons why your hair is getting greasy so fast, and one of them could be washing your hair every single day. No judge, because I used to do the same, but the reality is washing your hair every day strips the natural oils that your scalp produces. And when your scalp is a desert up here, all he's gonna do is to compensate for the lack of oil, the lack of moisture on your scalp, and will end up overproducing oil. The first step is to break the shampoo dependence. Yes, that is a thing that your hair has developed throughout the years. So in the first month, what I need you to do is to only wash your hair every 3 days. Something that helps to make this 3-day wait fairly okay is to wash your hair with only water. Yes? Say it again, only water, okay? It'll help you a lot to just push through this scalp training process. And the second month, I need you to add 2 more days. Maybe you don't like the idea of only washing your hair with water, but I promise you, you'll love it. You can also use protected hairstyles.
Those are fun. You see how it's like a beautiful expression.
Like what? And my results. You can do this kind of things to just push through during this scalp training. And on the 3rd month, trying to go for washing your hair only once a week. Those 3 months, commit to detox your scalp from overwashing, from putting dry shampoos, from putting all that heat, all that stuff that dries your scalp. So let's say you're gonna start training your hair to not be greasy today. I really need you to pay attention to this, because the way you are washing your hair, the type of shampoo and conditioner, and the water temperature you're using on your hair could potentially make your scalp produce more or less oil. I need you to go to your bathroom and grab your shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. Check on the ingredients. See if they have sulfates, parabens, mineral oils. The only thing they do to your hair and to your scalp is causing dryness. Trying to look for products that are free of these harsh ingredients and that also contain argan oil, aloe vera, castor oil, tea tree oil, even citrus ingredients. They make a perfect option to maintain your scalp and hair oiliness on base and still will provide the hydration that your hair needs. So when you're washing your hair, I need you to use your fingertips, not your nails, to massage your scalp starting from the bottom and work all the way to the top. This is gonna help you to remove all the buildup on your scalp, and it will prepare your hair for the following no washing days. Please hold on. I need you to do a 10-second cold water scalp intense massage before you get out of the shower. Cold water, it is the best thing to help your scalp to stay fresh and oil free for a long period of time. I know this is gonna be a little bit challenging if you've never done this. I need you to allow your hair air dry from now on until you reach your hair goals. That means no heat at all. One alternative that you can use on your hair if you want to speed up a little bit the process of drying your hair, you can use the cold air setting of your dryer, for example, or you can also buy a microfiber towel, or you can also do this. Now that your hair is clean and it's fresh and it's so beautiful, take a deep breath and commit to wash your hair until the next 3 days. The first week is going to suck. It gets pretty greasy, itchy. You'll have insanely amount of greasiness in certain days. It took me about 4 months to reduce my hair wash routine to every 2 days to once a week. Only thing that I can tell you that it is worth it, and embrace the process. If you guys want to see 2 weeks of tricking my hair not to be greasy, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Pura vida!